Now, India has climbed 3 percentage points in the national optimism. This, according to the May edition of the Ipsos What Worries the World survey. Maintaining its 4th global rank, the recent launch of Operation Sindoor appears to have boosted the public confidence, with nearly 2/3 of Indians believing that the country is moving in the right direction. To get more insights on this development from the index information that we've been able to procure, on the broadcast, I'm joined by my guest, Dr. Soumya Avasthi. Dr. Avasthi, thank you so much for joining us on NDTV 24/7. Firstly, for your time. Now, help me understand here, of course, because the latest Ipsos report now suggests that nearly 65% of Indians are more optimistic after Operation Sindoor. Firstly, what are your thoughts on how the terror operations were handled by the Indian government when it comes to, the tactical point of view or the strategy that was employed, which has been able to sort of boost up the public perception as well?
Yes, thank you so much for having me. Firstly, of course, this report comes at a very right time. The survey is clearly showing it is self-evident that how India responded and what is Indian citizens' view on the subject, because the way it was handled by the armed forces and by the government of India, it reflects that the way they were conducting it was actually helping us gain confidence over our system, because every day the armed forces was doing press briefing. They were giving us the evidence of before and after image of the operations, and they were also interacting on a regular basis with the social media as well as the journalist community. So of course these things definitely had a mark on the people of this country, and it was also seen that while the operation was on, and we must commend on this observation that how people of Jammu and Kashmir stood with us and were shoulder to shoulder with the armed forces, that they are there with us and they recognize the challenges that Pakistan was throwing at us with through terrorism. And not just in Kashmir, I would also like to highlight that even in Nagaland, there was a flag march which was taken out not just by the locals but also by the senior veterans of the armed forces as well as government employees, which shows that despite having their own qualms with the government at the local level or domestic level, they definitely stood united on this issue. So this survey is definitely a good way to give evidence to the people and evidence to many people within our country who had this audacity of talking anti-operation when they were required to be united with the rest of the country. So yes, and secondly, very interesting point which I learned
during the survey. For a moment. Dr. Avasthi, I'd like to just interject here at the moment because as per the rankings now that have come forth, India's topped the Global South as well. Now, considering that India is often considered the voice of the Global South as well, do you think this largely positive sentiment in terms of the public boost that it has received, will that also support the changing geopolitical landscape and policy decisions here on for the Global South and India, of course?
Of course. So this survey, when it shows that we have topped the global index or we are in the first 4, it is not only giving confidence to the people of this country, but also to the world around us, because India has been for long, cheered as the Global South leader, and it is right time because now the countries around us in the neighborhood as well as globally want to be much more connected and associated with us in different ways, be it trade, commerce, or politically. Even countries like OIC member countries, Gulf countries, the European countries, they all have shown their support to us. So there will be ease on many issues with regard to how this whole operation has panned out and what it has reflected about the government of India as well as the country and its people. So yes, our geopolitically we will be little more sound, and our foreign policy has been quite strong at this juncture. So it is going to be strengthened from here onwards.
Thank you so much, Dr. Avasthi, for joining us on NDTV 24/7 and sharing your insights with the optimism rising up after Operation Sindoor and the success of it, which has been lauded by everyone, not only in India, but across the global outreach efforts that are also ongoing.